lesson 15 for Module 5. And today you are counting by tens the say 10 way. Okay, so you're learning to count up and down by tens. So if I count up by tens, I'm just going to draw or write the number. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, look over here, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. How would I count this the say 10 way? So I'm going to draw a line next to each one, and we're going to say it the say 10 way. So 10 is just 10. 20 is 210, 310, 410, 510, 610, 710, 810, 910, 1010. So notice the number in front tells me how many tens I have. Now, I want you to practice counting down. All right, so I'm going to make some stairs for you. And I want you to write the number that comes next if we are counting down. Oops, hopefully I did enough there for you. I will put in some numbers, so let's see. Let's start with 100. If I count down next, so if I have 10, 10, next I'm going to have 9, 10. What would come next? And then that one, and then that one. So if I'm going to fill in some of these, and I want you to think about what numbers would I put in these blanks if I count down from 100? And then can you practice saying them the say 10 way? So 10, 10, 9, 10, what comes before that? Send me a picture of your stairs with your tens when you are done.